Good morning, class. Welcome in maths class. Today we will discuss about our next chapter, chapter 2. The name of the chapter is Fun with Numbers. So everyone open your book. Let's start our next chapter, Fun with Numbers. So here we have some children who were collecting tamarind seeds. So let's see. She is Radhika. She has collected 24 seeds and she is Gauri. Gauri has collected 47 seeds which is more than Radhika. And next Sunil has collected 38 seeds which is less than Gauri. And next Indra. Indra has collected 54 seeds which is the most number of the seed. So Indra collected most seeds, that is 54. And here is Vicky. Vicky collected 42 seeds which is less than Indra. So let's see, here are some questions. So let's start to read it and solve it. The first question is Dash collected the most seeds. So everyone knows very well who collected the most seeds. Indra. Indra has 54 seeds. So we can write it here, Indra. You can write the first answer is Indra has collected most seeds, that is 54. So let's see our next question. Sunil will collect dash 4 more seeds to be equal to Vicky. For this question, we need to subtract the seeds which is collected by Sunil and Vicky. Sunil collected 38 seeds and Vicky collected 42 seeds. So we need to subtract 42 minus 38. So let's see what is the answer. 42 minus 38. Answer is 4. So we can write in second answer 4. Sunil needs 4 more seeds to be equal to Vicky. So we can write in second answer 4. So let's see third question. If Radhika gets 6 more seeds, she will have dash. So let's see how many seeds have Radhika. Radhika has 24 seeds. If she gets 6 more, so we can add it. 24 plus 6. The answer is 24 and 6 equal to 30. So if Radhika gets 6 more seeds, now she has 24 plus 6 equal to 30 seeds. So we can write in answer third 30. So let's see our next question. How many children have more than 40 seeds? For this, we need to check every number of the seeds which have the children. So let's see. Radhika has 24 seeds which is less than 40. Gauri has 47 seeds which is more than 40. And Sunil has 38 seeds. This is also less than 40. And Indra has 54 seeds which is more than 40. And Vicky has 42 seeds which is also more than 40. So we can write how many children have more than 40 seeds? Yeah, equal to 40 seeds. Gauri, Indra and Vicky. So we can write it here 3. 3 children have more than 40 seeds. So we can write in answer 4 3. Let's see our next question. Dash needs 3 more seeds to have 50. For this question, we need to add the number of 3 to every number of seeds. Let's see, Radhika has only 24. If we add 3 seeds in 24, 24 plus 3 equal to 27. So it is not equal to 50. Let's see, Gauri has 47 seed. If we add 3 seeds more, so Gauri has 50 seeds. So we can write it here, the name of Gauri. Gauri needs 3 more seeds to have 40. Let's see the last question of this page. Sunil has 2 seeds less than 40 and Dash has 2 seeds more than 40. For this question, first let us subtract 40 minus 2. 40 minus 2 equal to 38. So Sunil is having 38 seeds and has 2 seeds more than 40. If we add two number of any children which have now 40 seeds. So let's see who has. Vicky has 42 seeds. So if we subtract 2 seeds from Vicky seeds, she has now 40 seeds. So we can write it here, the name of Vicky. So I hope you all know very well what is the answer of this page. Thank you children, and fill the answer of this page in your book. Thank you children.